Okay, a few steps further down. Police officer? Or maybe just a guide, not really sure. That only took us 2 minutes to get out of the subway station today. However, it has taken us oodles of time. And I know that the camera is shaky and you probably can't really see anything.
At nighttime, the porn comes out. You just pass by the porn stand. Oh, check out the sea of evil. Oh,
yeah.
The humanity.
Photo up.
Yep, and this is our intersection right here.
Just take pictures here since we're all being generous.
It just keeps going. It's a block down there. There's a block down there. More people than you'll ever be able to shake a stick at. Yes, yes. That is, well, you can't tell, but that's KFC over there. Or AFC. Okay.